Welcome aboard, travelers. Today, I'm diving into the top 15 travel mistakes airline passengers often make. Stick around as I guide you through each one, ensuring that your next flight is smooth sailing. Number 1, ignoring airline notifications. Whether it's for a free check package, an important flight update, or a flight upgrade offer, staying informed can make all the difference in your travel experience. Don't risk missing your flight by cutting it too close. Number 2, not arriving early enough. Arriving early gives ample time for check-in, security screening, and navigating your way to the gate. Give yourself the gift of peace of mind. 3, forgetting essential documents. Crucial documents like passports, visas, and tickets are the lifeline of your journey. Forgetting them at home can lead to frustrating delays. Trust me, I know. Or even denied boarding. Double check these before you leave home. 4, overpacking. The old age mistake of overpacking. Streamline your luggage to avoid extra fees. Make sure you buy yourself a portable hand scale. You can get this on Amazon so that you weigh your luggage before you get to the airport. This way, you avoid extra fees, discomfort, and the headache of managing bulky bags. Park light and smart if you can. 5, not knowing airport security regulations, whether it's TSA or general security regulations. Know before you go. Ignorance of security regulations can lead to delays at security checkpoints. Familiarize yourself with the rules so that you can breeze these quickly. Another reason I bring this up is recently a couple got detained in Turks and Caicos because they had some short cases of bullets that the husband left in there from a previous hunting trip inside his suitcase. They detained him, and I believe now he's currently facing 12 years imprisonment in Turks and Caicos, but they're working on that. So again, the importance of knowing the regulations is very, very important. 6, ignoring airport apps. Don't overlook the power of downloading some of these airport apps. For terminal maps to flight updates, these are actually handy in navigating the airport. Make sure to download yours today. 7, not signing up for assistance programs. Special assistance needed? Sign up for programs like in the US TSA Cares, or even reach out to your airline if you have a disabled passenger fly or you are one yourself to see how they can help you navigate the airport from check-in, whether it's wheelchair assistance or any other kind of assistance. A lot of these things are available, sometimes at a fee and sometimes for free, but it is there for you to explore. Essentially, don't miss out on the support that you deserve. Wearing inappropriate clothing. It's important to choose your travel attire wisely. Avoid clothing or materials that can trigger alarms of security, or clothing that will cause discomfort during your journey. Dress smart, travel smart. 9, not being prepared for security. Preparation is key for a smooth security screening. Remove items from your pockets, separate liquids, and be mindful of items that require extra screening to avoid delays. 10, not checking baggage restrictions. Know your baggage restrictions, what you're allowed and what you aren't allowed to carry with you. Packing prohibited items can lead to confiscation or delays at the airport. Check before you pack to avoid surprises. 11, arriving at the wrong gate or terminal. This has happened to me before. Double check your flight details before heading to the airport. Arriving at the wrong terminal or gate can cause confusion and can even make you miss your flight. Airports like Atlanta Airport is one where you don't want to miss your gate or your terminal because you might miss your flight. Stay vigilant. 12, not taking advantage of early boarding. Early boarding can actually make all the difference. Don't miss out on priority boarding opportunities. Ensuring a stress-free start to your journey. Beat the rush and board early. 13, ignoring airline policies. Familiarize yourself with your specific airline's policy before you fly. From their check-in procedures to their baggage fees, knowing the rules in advance of time can help you avoid surprises and streamline your travel experience. Overestimating boarding times. Don't play with fire when it comes to boarding times. Arriving late at the gate can lead to missed flights or unnecessary rushes. Plan ahead and arrive early to avoid unnecessary stress. 15. Being unprepared for long flights. Yes, lastly, prepare for those long-haul flights, especially if you have kids. Bring along essentials like water, snacks, entertainment, and comfort aids to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable journey. And there you have it, guys. By avoiding these common travel mistakes, you are well on your way to a smooth and stress-free flight experience. I really hope this video was useful. If it was, please make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you as part of this journey. And if you have video ideas for what I should create on my channel, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Thank you once again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!